Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Twitch Prime Sub feature on mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this process, it is very easy. You just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, just simply search for twitch.tv subs the username of the streamer who you want to prime sub. Then after searching that, as you can see here, I'm using this feature for this Twitch streamer named Camila. And after searching this, you just simply have to scroll down, and after that into this last segment you will get to see prime sub option after signing up. You just simply have to sign up with your premium Twitch account and then tap into that subscribe or prime sub button. Otherwise, you can also gift a sub option from here. In this very easy step, you can easily use the prime sub feature of Twitch into your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.